I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Binance wallet. Go to Binance and choose Register, then enter your email or phone and create a strong password. Verify your account through the code sent to you, then complete identity verification if required. Set up two-factor authentication, write down recovery keys, and store them offline. Finally, fund your wallet using a supported method and double-check security settings before trading. In this video, I will show how to create a Binance wallet. When verifying, use a clear government ID photo and a recent selfie that matches your ID, following on-screen prompts closely. Submit documents in good lighting and avoid editing or filters to prevent rejection. If verification stalls, check your email for requests or try a different browser. Patience helps, and once verified, you gain higher limits and more features on Binance. In this video, I will show how to create a Binance wallet. Quick recommendation: if you want your commute to match your crypto vibes, pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent in your car. It's a small treat that makes logins and learning feel nicer. If you like this tip and the walkthrough, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to create a Binance wallet. Prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication and using strong passwords unique to Binance. Consider a hardware wallet for significant balances and store recovery phrases offline, not in email. When funding, compare fees for bank transfer, card, or crypto deposit and choose the cheapest, reliable option. Monitor transactions, enable alerts, and review withdrawal whitelist options to reduce the risk of unauthorized transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.